Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. Toshiba has quietly exited the laptop business last week. The company first started producing laptops way back in 1985. At the time, they were not so sure about the laptop, but eventually came around, and it was a success. Between the 90s and early 2000s, Toshiba was one of the largest PC manufacturers, but as the market became more crowded and they had less unique features than others, their laptops declined in popularity. By 2017, they sold only around 1.4 million PCs, which only 6 years prior was still a healthy 17.7 million. In 2018, Toshiba sold 80% of its PC business to Sharp, who have renamed the division to Dynabook. They've just sold the rest of the shares, and the deal is now complete. We have a leak of the new controller for the Xbox Series S. The console has not even been unveiled yet, but someone was able to purchase this controller and give us a first glimpse of what the new controllers will look like. It's mostly very similar to the current Xbox controllers, but has a few new features like the new D-pad, which previously featured on the Elite controllers, textured triggers that should help with keeping a better grip, and a new share button that will make it easy to capture and share content seamlessly. Huawei has recently become the world's top-selling smartphone brand after strong sales in China during the first half of this year. But they've just had some very bad news that is surely going to affect their standing. In May, the US banned vendors from using US technology to provide components for Huawei. This means that production of Huawei's own Kirin chips will stop on September the 15th, since they are made by contractors which do use US manufacturing technology. Huawei is unable to manufacture their own chips, which means that they will have no chips and no supply. We will have to see how they tackle this huge hurdle. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.